Hey, I'm standing here with John, correct?
Correct.
John just finished attending our pressure washing school that Gerald Vest and I just hosted here in Houston, the Difference Maker School. John, just wanted to find out from you what your experience was like and how, if you enjoyed it and learned anything.
Absolutely. I have learned so much this week. It has really been worth it. I wish that it went on longer, but still, for the time that it lasted, I really learned a lot. Thank you.
Excellent, thank you. And you're here in the Houston, Texas area,
In the
correct?
Conroe area.
Conroe area. Okay, awesome. So glad you came. What's one of the best things that you're going to be able to take away from it?
Just the client part of it, and having to deal with clients and making them feel comfortable. And at the end of the day, they're what it's all about, is making them happy.
Awesome. Thanks so much. Appreciate you coming out. Hey, Doug Rucker here with the Doug Rucker School. We just finished a Different Maker School here in Houston, Texas, and I'm standing with Drew East, who came all the way from Louisiana,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
Which
sir.
part?
Hackberry, Louisiana.
Hackberry, Louisiana. Hey, Drew, just give us a little testimonial or review about your experience here at the Difference Maker School this weekend.
I thought I was doing everything that I was supposed to, and whenever I come here, I learned so much. The keeping the customers happy, and following up with the customers. Also, the pricing points and just everything that I learned this weekend. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go back home, and my whole business is gonna change completely. My employees are gonna have to do some things different, and everybody in my business we're gonna make things so much better.
So you'd say this weekend's going to make a difference in your business?
Absolutely, for
Awesome.
sure.
Awesome. Thanks so much for coming out, Drew. We appreciate it. Hey, Doug Rucker here with the Pressure Washing School. I'm standing here with Chris from Southeast Louisiana, who just attended the school this weekend. And Chris, I just want to get your thoughts and how much this school meant to you this weekend.
Very good information, especially in setting up. I came before I set up the business to get all of the information and the property protection and giving some action to those words instead of just saying you need to be attentive to the property. I have action points that I can put into play, put into a manual for the employees. I actually have some substance to a manual for employees to follow and be directed, and not just go there blindly and find out by some costly mistakes that I probably would have made otherwise.
That's awesome. So is there something like one big thing or one or two things that might be your biggest takeaway or your aha moment?
Surface inspection before you start. I would have, if you're going to wash a house, you're going to wash a house. It's pressure washing. But now I have an action plan that says when I get to the house, when I get to the situation that I'm going to be in, test a small area instead of finding out by the time you're going to get paint in the house because the paint color changed or something.
Right. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you coming out so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, I'm here with Lorenzo from College Station, who just attended the Difference Maker School that Gerald Vest and I just hosted here in Houston this weekend. Hey, Lorenzo, just wanted to get some thoughts and a little information from you about how the weekend has helped you.
It's been great. I've been trying to learn how to sell and how to go after, what do you do after the sale, and how to make sure they stay a repeat client, then just never talk to them again. And we learned how to do plant protection, which I had some costly mistakes on that. Never thought about the paint test. Definitely would do that.
How many years have you been in business?
Just a year.
Just a year. Great. So probably a number of things that you learned that you're going to be able to take home and make a difference in your business.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. I appreciate you coming out, Lorenzo, very much. All right. Hey, Doug Rucker here from the Pressure Washing School. We just got done with the Difference Maker School here in Houston, Texas this week, and I'm standing here with Philip all the way from St. Pete, Florida, right near my hometown of Clearwater, Florida. Go Astros, we beat the Rays. But anyway, hey, Philip, thanks for coming out, and just wanted to find out from you what you thought of the school, how you think it's going to help you, if it helped you, that type of thing.
Absolutely helped me. I'm a brand new startup, had no idea what I was doing, and I'm going to leave here with a lot of confidence. And I was a little leery at first, worried it was just going to be a bag of golden goodies, but I'm really impressed.
So when you say get bag of golden boot goodies, just kind of a place you went to that they were just kind of try to sell you all types of products, which we didn't try to do, correct?
Absolutely. Yes.
And so the main thing was teaching you guys cleaning techniques and how to protect property and things of that nature. So you really feel it's going to make a huge difference in your business as you get started.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. I appreciate you coming out.
Thanks.
All right. Hey, Doug Rucker here with the Pressure Washing School in Humble, Texas. We just got done with our Difference Maker School, and I'm standing here with Dave from Louisiana. Dave, how's the school helped you?
Well, it helped me tremendously. Like I said, I had my business started already, but y'all just put the icing on the cake with y'all's knowledge and years of experience that I didn't actually know of, and so it really helped out tremendously. And I'm ready to get back on some roofs and start cleaning. So,
is there like one thing that you think is like a big takeaway or a big aha moment that you had that you're going to go back and implement pretty immediate?
well, I think I gained more information to tell the customers on how to sell the job and how to price the job. So I think that'll benefit me humongously on just furthering my company. So
Awesome. Thanks, Dave. Appreciate you coming out. Hey, standing here with Jason from Austin, Texas. This is Doug Rucker at their Humble school we just had for Difference Maker School, pressure washing and roof cleaning. And just, Jason, I want to get your thoughts on the weekend and how you think everything is going to help you.
Well, Difference Maker's a great name of your school because we've been in business for about 2 years. We think we know what we're doing. And you really made a difference, for me at least, in helping us to understand a little bit more about how to deal with our customers. The protection was a huge thing for us, and even pricing. And I've been to plenty of schools before where everybody's kind of secret about everything, and this wasn't that way. This was a better run school where everybody shared their experiences and even down to pricing and how to handle that better for your business.
Awesome. Is there any one thing or one or two things that may have just kind of stuck out that you're going to go back and maybe implement immediately?
Better plant and pet protection, for sure.
Perfect. That's my favorite thing to hear. Thanks, Jason. I appreciate it. Hey, Doug Rucker here, standing with Michael Legore, my buddy for a long time and customer. Michael, you've been doing this for quite a few years, but you came out and attended the Difference Maker Pressure Washing and Roof Cleaning School. Just wanted to get your thoughts on how it impacted you.
I think that it impacted me pretty good. I learned more about the educating your customers. That's something I haven't really done a lot of. I kind of tell them I take classes, further my education, invest in my business, but you guys have helped me more on the educate the customer to sell myself and sell my business, to give them that quality of service and peace of mind.
Awesome. Thanks for coming out, Michael. I appreciate it. Hey, Doug Rucker here with the Pressure Washing School. Just got done with our Difference Maker School, and I'm here with Joe, who flew in from Georgia. And Joe, just wanted to get your thoughts and a little testimonial on the weekend school.
Hey, just like the school name is, Difference Maker. For me, I'm a new startup. I'm getting ready to get out there and start my business. I got a lot of good information from Doug and Gerald while I was here. One of the biggest things is that I didn't take into account was the customer care, not just before the job, but after the job as well.
Awesome. Thanks so much for coming out. We appreciate you flying in.
Thanks, Doug.
All right. Hey, Doug Rucker here with the Pressure Washing School. We just got done with the Difference Maker School, and I'm talking with Jose, who flew all the way in for Virginia. Jose, tell me about how the school helped you.
It was awesome. It was a good opportunity for me to come and learn more. I've been in business for about 2.5, almost 3 years, and you're starting. Obviously you want to keep learning more and more, but this was just awesome. My biggest takeaway was honestly the property protection. Just how to go about it, because a lot of times you don't really think about that stuff. You just kind of want to get in there and kind of clean, but you don't think about the other aspects. So that was definitely something that I'll always remember and going to implement.
A lot of little things you got to look for to protect that could end up costing you money if you didn't. Great. Awesome. So glad you came. Appreciate it.
Too. Thank you.
All right.